These arrows are 100% free and fully customizable in Premiere Pro. But before you get too excited and click the link, watch the full video to support your brother. Let's get into it. After downloading, you get two folders, motion graphic template and video PNG. Let's start with the MOGRTs. Select all of them and drag them into Premiere Pro. You can preview everything inside the graphic template panel. If you don't see it, go to Window, enable graphic template and also turn on properties. Now let's use this one, drag it into the timeline. You'll notice it comes in smoothly and ready to use. Just double click to open the properties panel. This is where you'll find all the controls. First you'll see turbulence. This adds wiggles, but it can be heavy on slower PC, so you can turn it off if you don't need it. You can also customize the color to match your project, to make the line thinner or thicker, and control the line cape and line join, which changes how the corners of your lines look. If you're using the dash version, you can increase or decrease the dash amount, adjust the gap between each dash for different spacing, and control the length of the line itself to make it start exactly how you want. For thicker strokes at the start, easing the line length make it smoother. These settings let you fully customize the arrow so it fits completely with your style. At the end, I added two extra options to give you more flexibility. You can hide the arrowhead and use just the line. This is useful if you want a cleaner look, or flip it horizontally to give yourself more freedom when rotating. In transform, you can rotate the arrow, scale it, and adjust its position so it points exactly where you want. For example, you can make it point to the like button. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like it. When you download the asset, you get two versions of the arrow, dashed arrow, and the other is the simple arrow with a clean solid line. Both come with the same customizable settings, so you can adjust color, stroke, and hide the arrowhead or flip it horizontally. No matter which version you choose, you have full control to make it fit your project perfectly. You can also stretch it to adjust the animation speed. If this feels heavy on your PC, I also included video PNG version. You can drop them straight into your timeline and they have the same smooth animation but with wiggles. Pro tip: to change the color of a video PNG, search for tint, apply it. In the effect control, you can adjust the color. You can also change the speed using time remapping and customize it however you like. All animations are 2 seconds long by default. I spent 2 months putting this together, so a like on this video will mean the world to me. Thanks for watching, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!